Does your credit score define your personality? This credit score should be the basis of your character evaluation during job application. The use of credit scores as employment screening tools is a hotly debated topic. According to a 2010 poll by the Society for Human Resource Management, 60% of surveyed employers conducted credit checks for some or all candidates as part of the hiring process. Most companies attempt to justify the use of credit scores because they think such employees will end up stealing, but our research suggests that might not be the case. What if, instead of a lender/employer checking your credit score, they gave you a personality test? Since 2006, the Entrepreneurial Finance Lab, EFL, has been using psychometrics to help banks around the world figure out whether a loan applicant is a good risk, even if the potential borrower has a thin credit history. With the help of EFL's questionnaire, one bank was able to increase its client base by 53%, while reducing defaults by 72%. Rather than relying wholly on credit reporting information, might provide lenders a better picture of where we actually stand with our finances. What do you think? Should employers use credit score or personality check? Comment your opinion below.